Hello YouTubers, this is Matt Hall, and we are going to do another video of Thomas and Friends. And I remember last time we just played it. Now this railway looks different. So, let's get James. And off he goes, pulling some trucks. Just like last time, he was just pulling trucks. Now we'll get her. And he's just pulling out the sheds. Thomas waits until he comes out the sheds. And there's his coach. There's Thomas's coach, and he just loves his coach. And let's go. Let's see what will happen next. Oh no, there's going to be a bridge collapse. No, oh no! It's a stack! Oh no, bridge is out! Oh no, bridge is out! Get someone to fix it! Oh no, he's gonna crash! He's gonna crash! He's gonna crash! Don't crash! Don't crash! James, be careful! James! Don't do it! Oh, that was close. James, I told you don't do it! What's wrong with you? Come back. You've been a very naughty little engine. Okay. So, I'll get Thomas out. We'll just do... Okay. Here he is to the station. All aboard. And let's go. All the passengers are on board. Off it goes. Oh no, points! And he makes it to the station on time. Oh, he's super fast. And he needs his coach right here. Also, he just has to... He has to come right here into a shed. And Percy goes to pull the mail train. Okay. Oh no, what is he doing? Is he gonna fall James to the bridge? Oh no, he's gonna crash, he's gonna crash, he's gonna crash. Oh no. Oh no, it's a stack, oh no. Ah! Oh my gosh. I don't know what's gonna happen next. You know what's gonna happen next? Kids. Oh no! A truck will be hanging. Oh no! It's a stack. It's a stack. It's a stack up. It's a crash. Also, the bridge is out. That wasn't that really nice to do. Sorry. James. Oh, let's go. Wait, hold on. What's happened? Okay, off you go. Well, guys, if you want to see more videos, like and subscribe. And also, it's time for the... Wait, hold on. Okay, so here we go. It's not time for the fail, really. Whoops. Okay, here we go. Here's Percy and Diesel. What is she? Okay, 3. Okay, let's see who's strong. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Diesel is so stronger. Oh no, Percy's just not getting... Percy's just stronger than him. And he's gonna just gonna do it. He just pushed him off the track. Oh, he just pushed him off the track. Look at that. Oh, and it looks like Percy is the winner. Let's try Tom. So let's try Thomas versus Brewster. And Thomas is going. He just pushed him off the track. Oh, what a show, guys. Oh, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And this is just a bit really. I'm being wrong. It's just like it. Okay, guys, we'll just do one more crash. Let's do one more crash. Okay. Ready, and here comes the train! Whoa. That was a nice crash. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And it's time for the fail reel. I just got... Okay. Fail reel. Fail. Maybe this is just like blah blah blah. Fail. We'll just do it together. Ready, let's go. Come on, make it. That's on the fail. Fail. I'm just gonna do it. Oh no. Oh dear, no. It's just gonna be very nasty. It's gonna send him on his way. And let's go. Oh no! Fail! This is just a high speed one. Dynamite. Oh no! Fail! It's gonna be a crash. Oh no! Wait, what happened? That's on the fail reel. Fail! Oh, I'm on! Talk that! Okay. He just shoved it off the track. Oh, okay. Well, guys, goodbye. So, thanks for watching and bye for now.